Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. Is it after Eid having meat and chicken for almost a month? You must be tired of having non-vegetarian, is it? So I have a super duper recipe of a vegetarian curry the way my grandma used to make, and then I have learned this from my mom. It's a super hit recipe for any vegetable. So I have made this with yam and chickpeas, which is a favorite combination of we Mangaloreans. So do give it a try, friends. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. Ingredients are given at the description box below as always said, so please do check it out from there. Firstly, the ingredients for the masala are 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut, 10 to 12 red dried chilies, 1 teaspoon of fennel or saunf, 2 pods of garlic and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now let's roast the red chilies. On a medium flame in a pan, once it's hot, I have added the red chilies. This is a very important step of roasting the chilies. Please do not burn them or your masala would turn bitter. Once it's half done, then add the fennel seeds just for 30 seconds, roast them and then add it to this coconut and turmeric powder. I'm grinding this on a mixer jar, so you can even do this on a grinder. If doing it on a grinder, then please add the garlic pods at the very end. As mine was a mixer jar, I have taken all the ingredients together with half cup of water to grind it to a very fine paste. I have added half cup later. And now let's have a look at the ingredients what we need to make the curry. Here this is the yam, peeled and beautiful chunks, medium sized. And then I have around 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, which is just boiled with salt and turmeric. And this is the curry paste what we have ground. You can see it's very fine, smooth. Wet grinders do a better job. And this is a very large tomato and half medium sliced onion. And this is salt according to your taste. And now let me show you, if anyone has a doubt what actually yam is. It's churan, or called as jamikan also in Hindi, which is a super healthy vegetable. And here I have peeled this, and as I showed, peeled, washed and drained it. Here I always love to make any traditional recipe in my earthen pot. So I have taken the yam pieces, tomato, onions along with the salt and just the rinse water from the mixer jar what I had taken. Cooking time of yam totally depends, because sometimes it really cooks fast depending on the size. And here I have taken around 2 cups of water and rinsed it with the same mixer jar which we ground the masala. And here I left it to cook for around 25 minutes and mine were done, almost 80%. And then now I have added the boiled chickpeas so that it can absorb a little bit of flavor from the masala. And just for 5 minutes I cooked them, and then now I am adding our curry paste to this. You can see it's very thick. And then now I'll be adding more of 1 cup of water. Sorry guys, I really cannot tell you exact measurement of water, because the consistency of your gravy, it totally depends on how much water you have used while grinding the curry paste. Here I found that the gravy was a little more thick, so I added more half cup of water and then I adjusted the consistency. So add it according to your choice. And when you can see the boil on this at the sides, here your recipe is almost done. And then now I did not show this in the ingredients, nor my Naani used this coriander leaves at the end, but I love the touch of coriander leaves at the end, so I have added it. So it's totally optional. And now it's having a good boil, and here is your super duper traditional Mangalorean yam and chickpeas curry ready. See, being very honest, not every time you're gonna like something very special and restaurant style, right? Sometimes you really need that maa ke haath ka khana wala magic and then ghar ka traditional food, right? So do give a try on this recipe and let me know in the comments below if you really enjoyed like how I did. I would love to know it from your side. And coming to our extra points now. Do not add too much of water and make it watery, as I have used earthen pot. That's why my gravy needed more water and it was really thick. And you can make this with any vegetable of your choice, like gobi or potatoes. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I'd love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Stay home, stay safe, wear your mask wherever you go. May Almighty protect you all. Bye-bye.